welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Carcy Denise. If this is your very first video, what up, y'all? I'm so glad y'all stopped by to see your girl. Nah. Before you leave though, okay? Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you be notified whenever your girl drops a video and you become part of the family. If you are a returning family member, what up, cousins? Y'all already know how we do it, okay? So as you guys have read from the title, this is another Amazon Prime wig review. And this review is from Julia Hair on Amazon. Now this is their 4x4 human hair straight bob. And it is in a 8-inch, okay? This is the box that it comes in. Okay, so inside of the box, you're going to get a pair of lashes and your wig. So this is how the wig looks right out of the packaging. Again, it is a 4x4, so you're only gonna get this much lace to cut. It's gonna come with your standard combs. You're gonna get 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps, okay? So the part looks really good though, look at that. All right, so let's go ahead and try this on and let's see what she's working with.
Six chill, for real.
Go, payday, go.
Six chill, for real.
Go, payday, go, go.
So I am done styling this unit, and some stuff I have to do off camera, y'all, because for some reason I feel like sometimes my wigs get camera shy and they don't act right. But once I cut the camera off and I got like in my zone, I was able to create this messy bob. This is a little work, y'all, and it was only a little work because I really genuinely don't know what I'm doing. Like, I suck at curling hair. The only thing I can do is braid, and that's not even with weave. Like, that's just scalp. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can't braid with weave. So for me, this is like my first real like cut and style, and yeah, this is like a first for me. So this is what I came up with. I wanted to go with like that messy kind of bob look, give you a side part versus the middle that I always do. Yeah, and I really like it. Like, one thing I can say, I'm sorry, I keep messing with that, but one thing I can say is that this hair is super soft. It curls amazingly. Like, I had no problems curling it. The only problem was me. It was, you know, I can't really curl. So it took me a while to get it. And when I turned one way, I'm like, oh, I got it. And then it got messed up and I'm like, shoot. And then I tried again. I'm like, oh, I got it. And so once I got it, I just left it. Literally, I left it. So the cap fits nice, y'all. Like, this hair is bomb.com. The party is amazing. All I did was add my powder to it once I added the new part. And yeah, this is what we got. So any of my stylists out there who got tips on how to curl and get the hair to look good, yeah, holla at your girl, because it was a mission, but she came out cute. That's all that mattered. You know what I'm saying? She came out cute. And I just gotta figure out how to get this piece to just, this piece don't wanna, ooh, see, you see what I'm talking about? When I just be playing with it and mistakenly do stuff, it just be coming out cute, y'all. But yeah, I'll figure this situation out off camera, or if anybody got tips on how to get this to be, you know, like, you know what I'm trying to do? Y'all know what I'm trying to do. Anywho, if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will definitely leave the link down below. And yeah, y'all can get your hands on her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video.